In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze SurveyMonkey survey data effectively. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced user, understanding how to interpret your survey results is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's dive in and explore the tools and methods that will help you get the most out of your data using the Analyze tab in SurveyMonkey. First, head over to the Analyze Results section of your survey. This is your starting point for viewing your collected data. By default, you'll encounter question summaries. These summaries present dynamic charts for your multiple-choice questions and tables for any open-ended responses. The visual representation provided by these charts makes it easy to identify patterns and trends at a glance. If you want a closer look at how each individual responded, use the Individual Responses feature. This option allows you to browse through each respondent's answers while providing useful metadata such as completion time, IP address, and the collector used. It's a helpful way to piece together the story behind your overall results. Now, let's focus on segmenting your analysis for even deeper insights. Applying rules and filters is key here. Filter rules allow you to narrow your data by specific criteria, such as responses to certain questions, the time frame of submission, completeness of surveys, or any other metadata that might be critical. For more detailed analysis, compare rules enable you to cross-tabulate two variables. For example, you might compare satisfaction levels across different age groups to uncover meaningful relationships. Additionally, show rules help in viewing only selected questions or pages, which is particularly useful if your survey employed branching logic. You can even combine and save these rule sets into what's known as views. While these are available for paid plans, they can be a powerful tool to streamline the analysis process for repeated use. When it comes to those open-ended responses, don't just skim through them. You can browse through these directly in the summaries or individual views. Paid plans boost this process by offering text analysis tools, which use sentiment or thematic tagging to provide deeper insights. Whether you have a dozen or hundreds of responses, this can be a game changer in understanding the nuances of feedback. Some plans also offer the Analyze with AI feature, allowing you to pose questions like, "What are the most common complaints about customer service?" and get narrative summaries supplemented with charts. Finally, exporting your data can pave the way for advanced analysis. If you have a paid plan, you can export summary data, all responses, or even individual responses. These can be in formats like PDF or spreadsheets, ideal for further processing. Many users choose to export data to CSV files, which you can then refine, especially if you're dealing with matrix or open-ended data, before diving deeper into analysis in external tools like Excel, Power BI, or SPSS. With these methods, you'll be well equipped to unlock the valuable insights hidden in your survey data.